Welcome to Bontoc in the Mountain Province and welcome to Anshawn Foot's Walking Tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The Bontoc Igorots live in this mountainous terrain and have engaged in subsistence agriculture, cultivating crops suited to the high altitude environment since time immemorial. Hence, the namesake Bontoc from the local word bon or heap and tuk or top, collectively meaning mountains. Pre-colonial Bontoc society was organized around extended families and kinship ties. The social structure was characterized by a complex system of leadership. The community was led by a local leader known as the Ato. The Ato serves as the head of the community and made decisions for the welfare of the people. Agriculture has always been a central aspect of Bontoc life, and the people practiced terrace farming to cultivate crops such as rice, root crops, and vegetables in the mountainous landscape. The Bontoc Igorots are known for their intricate rice terraces, similar to those found in other parts of the Cordillera region. The Bontoc Igorots have a rich system of indigenous beliefs and rituals. They believe in a pantheon of spirits associated with nature. Rituals are performed for various purposes, including agricultural activities, healing, and honoring ancestral spirits. One distinctive feature of the pre-colonial Bontoc culture was headhunting. Headhunting was associated with rituals, warfare, and the attainment of prestige. Warriors who successfully engaged in headhunting were highly regarded. Bontoc continues to engage in trade and interactions with neighboring communities. Trade routes exist, connecting different indigenous groups in the Cordillera region. Spanish colonization of the Philippines began in the 16th century, and missionaries played a significant role in introducing Christianity to the Bontoc Igorots, leading to the changes in religious practices and cultural norms. Bontoc gained recognition in 1887 when it was established as a Spanish district seat. Bontoc served as headquarters for the Comandancia Politico-Militar de Bontoc, a subordinate to the Politico-Military District of Lepanto, starting in January 1857. A royal order on June 24, 1858 designated the district of Bontoc as an independent military command. It was among the 10 Politico-Military Comandancias established by the Spanish colonial government between 1847 and 1891 in the Cordillera to exert political control over independent Igorot tribes. From its inception in 1857 to Sandros, the last commandant retreat in 1898, the Bontoc-based military command led and joined at least 10 punitive expeditions against the Spanish government. Despite Spanish military superiority, the Bontoc garrison faced attacks from defiant Igorots resisting subjugation. In May 1891, villagers armed with bolos or machetes, spears, axes, and shields besieged the garrison, resulting in the death of 9 Spanish soldiers and a successful uprising. In December 1884, a larger uprising against new tribute regulations was thwarted by the Comandancia using paid spies among the Bontocs. On August 13, 1898, the Americans defeated the Spaniards in Manila. Bontoc, a refuge for retreating Spanish soldiers and missionaries, was taken over by Bontoc warriors on September 3, 1898. However, the victory was short-lived as the U.S. military government under General Arthur MacArthur took control, leading to Bontoc's integration into the Mountain Province in 1920 under the Philippine Commissions Act No. 1870. During World War II, Bontoc was occupied by the Japanese from June 1942 to September 1945. Dr. Hilary Clapp, one of the Western-educated Igorots, was appointed governor during the occupation, and Bontoc suffered significantly during the U.S. troops' retaking. The pre-colonial history of Bontoc reflects a vibrant and culturally rich society with unique practices and traditions. The impact of Spanish colonization and subsequent historical periods has shaped the region's modern identity, but efforts are made to preserve and celebrate the indigenous heritage of Bontoc Igorots.